guys, welcome to Edufy. So today we are here to discuss about what is SSC and what are the exams being conducted by SSC. So as you know, aspirants that are aspiring for government jobs look for SSC CGL, SSC CHSL and all these exams. So let's see what are the criteria, eligibility, syllabus and other exam pattern and other details of this examination. So this is the body called Staff Selection Commission. This conducts examination, different type of exam. So before understanding what is the pattern of exam, first see what are the major exams conducted by this organization. So there is one combined graduate level exam, combined higher secondary level exam, which is called SSC CHSL, very famously known. Another is SSC MTS exam, SSC GD, that is General Duty Constable exam, SSC JE Junior Engineer exam, and SSC CPO. It is a Central Police Organization exam. Apart from that, other exams like stenographer and the selection post exams are also there. But we will see that what is the level of eligibility required in this exam. To SSC CGL exam, that is graduate level exam, it requires basic minimum criteria is graduation from any recognized university. SHCL exam, you can give this exam if you are 12th pass. There is exam of MTS level, that is if you are 10th pass, you can give this exam. There is another exam, General Duty Constable exam. Here also the criteria is 10th pass. Apart from that, other exams which hold the graduation criteria, especially the junior engineer, which requires degree or diploma in the engineering field. Graduate exam is CPO. 12th pass, apart from CHSL, is the stenographer exams. So here you can see now where you will be recruited after going through SSC or these exams. SSC CGL is basically conducted for the Group B and Group C posts like inspectors, auditors, assistants, supervisors, and they are placed under various ministries and the like Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, Intelligence Bureau, all these, especially Central Secretariat, all the ministries are there. So they can be placed in those. Here, what will be the exam pattern? Now here we are talking about CGL, that is graduate level exam. There will be two type of paper, tier 1 objective paper, tier 2 objective plus skill set. So tier 1 is qualifying nature, means here there will not be any merit. There will be a merit, but you just have to pass that merit. It will not be counted in the total marks. Plus another is tier 2, which is another version or higher level version of tier 1. With respect to CHSL, here same pattern, tier 1, tier 2 examination. All these exams are basically held computer based, CBT tests are there. Next is MTS exam. Here two paper, objective, one is descriptive. MTS is for non-technical staff. GD exam, General Duty Constable exam. Here you will be posted for what? You will be posted as constable in the BSF, CAPF, all the CAPF like CISF, CRPF, ITBP, Assam Rifle, in all these places you will be posted as a constable. Next, junior engineer exam, you will be the JE in the different government departments. CPO, again it will be for sub-inspector post like Delhi Police or under various Central Armed Police Forces. Stenographer is for stenographer in different ministries. And this is the post exam. Whatever the posts are there in the different ministries, that exam is also conducted by SSC. Now let us see the pattern of, we have seen the pattern of two major examinations, CGL and SHCL. Now MTS, here two papers, paper 1 objective, paper 2 descriptive. GD exam, written exam, there are multiple tests, PST, PET and then finally medical exam. Okay? Next is your junior engineer, paper 1, paper 2, objective, descriptive. All the similar pattern. Stenographer requires some shorthand and the typing skill also. So you can see this table. Now coming to the, as you know, we have seen the eligibility criteria. We have seen what you will be posted as, like group B and group C officers, and exam pattern. Okay, tier 1 and tier 2 especially. So there will be 3 stages: pre, mains and interview. For SSC CGL, you will see tier 1, they have four topics: reasoning, that is part of syllabus. Another is general awareness. Reasoning, you know, logic, series, coding, all these aspects. General awareness, you will see current affairs, basic science, basic GK, history, politics, economy, all these subjects. Quant includes your mathematics, algebra, arithmetic, geometry, data interpretation, and English. English includes grammar and vocabulary and comprehension. So that is the tier level 1. If you qualify this exam, you will be going for the tier 2 exam. Now in CGL, this tier 2 include quant, English, reasoning, and awareness, plus computer knowledge, which is compulsory for the all candidates. Apart from that, you will see there will be, for different posts, there will be specialized exams also, but not for everyone. In CHSL tier 2, how it will be different? It is comparatively easier, consists of descriptive paper, essay writing, letter application to test the skills in the language. So this is the tier 1 and tier 2. If you clear this, you will be called for the skill test or the interview test. So the skill test will decipher the proficiency, how the candidate can move ahead in life after selection. So interview stage. So these are the major exam. Now let us see what are the syllabus for the tier 1 exam. As you know, reasoning, awareness, quant, and English. So you can look at general intelligence, what it includes: non-verbal, verbal reasoning, analogies, decision making, problem solving, all these aspects. When it comes to general affairs, current affairs, international, national importance, history, science, politics, economy, culture, anything. Not that much tough exam. If you see the paper, if you have bare minimum awareness, it is very easy to crack. Next is science and environment issues. Science is an important topic in awareness. Next is quant and aptitude. Quant में number system, arithmetic, geometry, trigonometry, data interpretation and analysis. Again, not a very tough topic. Next is English vocab. For example, one word, comprehension, sentence formation, error spotting, and the sentence correction. So that is the tier 1. Tier 2 is basically what? It is the advanced version of tier 1. So same syllabus but more detailed. You can see maths, reasoning, how detailed they can go. Next, reasoning, again same topics but it is more elaborate, like number analogy, Venn diagram, figural classification, symbolic classification, puzzle, coding, decoding, critical thinking, all these. Next, English comprehension, and same GK, general awareness, current events, history, culture. But level tier 2 का थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है. Plus you will see number जो आपका qualifying merit बनती है, the numbers will be counted from this tier 2. Tier 1 is qualifying. Next is computer knowledge, which is of qualifying nature, which is expected from all these students that they know this much of basic knowledge. Okay, what about the memory organization, backup device, MS Office, simple aspects. So before aspiring for this paper, you should also see the current trends of the cutoffs. We have seen the eligibility criteria, exam pattern. We have seen the various stages of examination in the pattern and the syllabus. Now let us have a look of cutoff for different categories. For example, CGL exam, graduate level exam, 21. In 2021, you will see for general unreserved category, 130. In 2022, 114, 23, 150. OBC, you can have a look. For ST, 2023, 118, 2022, 77, 21, 81, right? So that is the cutoff. Out of how many marks? 200 marks. Coming to MTS cutoff, general 145 to 50 and it can go till For ST 125 to 130, and same range is almost here. However, in 2021 paper was tough, so the cutoffs were also comparatively lower. Depending on the toughness of the paper, cutoffs are decided and how students are responding to this. Coming for the CHSL cutoff 23, it was very high, 157 to 160, and 22 140, 135. CHSL cutoffs are comparatively higher. ST 125 to 130, 100, 93. SC 135, 140, 112, 108. 150, 155. EWS. OBC 155, 158. So here you will see comparatively higher side of the cutoff because it's a CHSL exam. CPO cutoff, that is police organization, then cutoff is 115, OBC 110, 95 to 100, SC, ST 90 to 95. You can see the other year cutoff also. So that was about SSC. Coming to the next type of paper, that is conducted by IBPS. Okay? Or what are the exams or the stages for getting into various posts in the banks. तो पहले हमें देखना है IBPS के जो एग्जाम होते हैं और बैंक के कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स होते हैं. So we will see what are the bank exam. As you know, most of the students are not even aware of which bank exams to take. Next, first is officer level, probationary officer, clerical level. There are two type of exams within bank. IBPS, RRB level, that is in regional rural banks. Then SBO also had its own, that is probationary officer, clerical level. RBI grade B and assistant, NABARD grade A and grade B both. Insurance exams are also there for LIC, AAO and ADO jobs, and specialist officer SO jobs are also there. Now see who will be the conducting body. As you can see, IBPS, definitely Institute of Banking Personnel. And for SBI exams, SBI itself conducts its exam. For RBI also, you will see RBI conducts. NABARD conduct for itself. LIC, insurance exam are conducted by LIC, and specialist exam are again conducted by IBPS. So this is the conducting body. What is the level of post you will get if you clear this exam? One is probationary officer level, another is clerical. So same here, and in RRB, IBPS RRB, regional rural bank, again officer and the assistant level. Same goes with the SBI, officer and the clerical or junior associate level. The terminology may be different. RBI grade B and assistant level. Same NABARD officer level, LIC officer or the agent level job. Specialist role, if specialist qualifications are being asked, your specialized exam is being conducted. Now purpose, you can say definitely in public sector banks recruitment, clerical staff recruitment, customer service role. For RRB, there can be roles, there can be recruitment of officers. For SBI also, if you have to go into clerical role, there is SBI clerical exam. RBI, if you have to go into RBI. So these are the various types of exam. So before heading towards the syllabus, let us see the stages of exam. Here pre-mains interview, same pattern as of in SSC. For officer level, you will be having all the three stages, but for non-officer level, there will be two stages, pre and mains. Now, what is the syllabus written here, or the topics written here in the pre-exam? English, comprehension, quant, on all the topics of quant and reasoning. These four topics: English, comprehension, reasoning, quant. Right? Mains, again reasoning. You can say banking awareness. It will be more advanced level data analysis. You will see general awareness about the banks. Specific facts will be asked. Financial awareness, current affairs, static GK. Static GK is also asked. So history, polity, RBI policies, language, comprehension, descriptive level exam will also be there for the probationary officer, not for the clerical officer. Essay writing, letter writing, all these are there in the pre and mains. Finally, interview will be there for PO level. Now you can see the syllabus, almost same syllabus of quant and reasoning. You can see puzzle, seating, number, input, output, blood relation, silog, alphabet, numeric, word formation, inequality, and these are all covered by various courses that are forwarded by Edufy. Quant also, same topics. English language, you can see comprehension, grammar, spotting error, fillers, jumble sentence, sentence rearrangement, idioms, phrases, close sets, one word substitution, sentence correction, these topics, these type of topics. Here also you can read the syllabus. You can see the exam pattern for different levels. IBPS P, PO, pre-mains interview. IBPS clerk, pre-mains. IBPS PO, pre-mains interview. SBI for RRB. Okay, all the three levels are there. Interview is for PO level. SBI PO, pre-mains interview. For clerical, there will not be any interview. Pre and mains are there. Section of English quant reasoning. What type of CBT mode? That is online computer based test. Objective, and this is first stage. Pre is again like SSC, here also it's a qualifying stage. Then in mains, objective, descriptive, and it will be deciding the main merit. Interview will be obviously offline, 1-to-1. Final selection stage. Same goes with the, however, clerical exam, both are online. Pre is qualifying in both the cases. Mains will be deciding merit. In RRB case, interview is offline, pre-mains are online. Qualifying, pre-final stage, you can say it's a mains. So here you can see the different patterns. Same goes with the RBI exams and NABARD exam and insurance exam. See, syllabus is same. Syllabus is almost same, but the name of the exam could be different. Pre, mains, phase 1, phase 2, or if there will be language test is necessary in RBI. So regional language test is there. So make sure of this. Fine. Interview, online, offline, which is a screening stage, mains is a key stage, final stage. Again, let's see the category of unreserved cutoff. This you can see for different final stage, prelims, phase 1, phase 1, phase 1. These are the cutoffs. आप देख सकते हो 52, 55, 75, 85, 55. These are the cutoff for different exams. 22 lesser cutoffs, 21 even lesser cutoffs. For SC and ST category, 23 was 45, 48, ST के लिए 40, 45. Here general category cutoff was 52, 55. Almost difference of 10 marks. 40 to 45, 50 to 55. Fine. Same you can see for different categories, different cutoff. So this was your discussion on understanding of the nature of exam being conducted by IBPS for banks, for different banks, as well as the nature of exam of SSC CGL. Here at Edufy, we offer courses for both the type of examination. Come here and understand the nature and try to learn and grasp the knowledge that is required for clearing and getting selected in this exam. Thank you very much.